Vedant Poddar, put a video off. Okay, students. Okay. See, I can catch hold of you very easily. So don't try to do that. Very easily I can catch hold of you. Sania Hasir Sheikh. Hasir Sheikh from Vikroli has to be removed by me. I will remove. Wait. You can do whatever you want. Till then, I will remove you. Hasir Sheikh, I'm removing. Hasir Sheikh. Okay, he ran away already. Okay. Anybody else who wants to do it? Okay. I'm good. Stop writing how are you so many times, or I'll have to remove you because it takes away important messages from the students. Hello, everybody. So, welcome back. I'll just clear this. Okay. Yes, Preet Parmar was also doing. Yes, perfect. Okay, not a problem. Now students, we'll start with the chapter. Yes. The answer was 0 and 3. Now students are sending me the answer for the sum that which have been put on the YouTube channel. Now students, I'm trying to put regular videos there. Now why I'm doing this is one thing is that I know many of you would want to be ahead of others. So those who want to be ahead of others can watch that video. I'm going to develop that chapter. Now if you see after 2-3 lectures, quadratic is one of the most toughest topic in 10th standard 10, and it is beautiful also. A lot of complications are possible there. Personally favorite topic. So we would be discussing those topics ahead. Definitely I'll be putting more. In fact, I will be sending you assignments on that also, because right now we're dealing with the basics of the topic, and here we are today towards the end of probability. Now when I say end of probability, the difficult sums has been put already on the topic. Yes, I will teach that chapter again once the lockdown gets over, because there are most of the things are complicated. Because if you see the video till now, it is easy, but since from next video it will start getting complicated. Then it comes alpha, beta sums. Then the word problems are beautiful. But the best part is if you watch this video on YouTube right now with me, and when I teach you the same thing again, it would be really helpful. It would be great. And we don't know how much time we will have after the lockdown to complete the chapters. Okay. So the next topic that we are going to deal with after probability is AP, and after AP I'm going to start with financial planning. So meanwhile I'll also finish quadratic at the end. Difficulty is easy. Yes, Rudrakshi, I know your fundas. Okay, now students, now this is a very important topic in probability, where we are going to discuss a pack of 52 cards. Okay, now first let me talk, and then I will need some help from you all. Okay, no problem. Just focus on the topic. Stop messaging now. Now, what I'm going to talk about is a pack of 52 cards. Some of you might have played, some of you might have not played cards. Some of you are aware of the cards, and some of you are not aware of the cards. Now, trust me, students, it won't matter if you know how the cards are, whether you have seen these cards in your life or not. What is very important is you know which all type of cards and how many cards do we have in a particular type. Now that is the most important thing that we need to take care here. So initial 10, 15, 20 minutes we'll spend only on remembering the number of cards. And once I'm sure the number of cards are remembered, then solving the sums are piece of cake. Okay. And remember this and take a note of everything that you want. For all those who have not seen pack of cards, there are 4 type of cards. Okay, just pay attention on the screen. There are 4 type of cards. 2 are red in color and 2 are black in color. Okay, anybody who knows what this particular type of cards are called? Anybody who knows what these cards are called as? Anybody who is aware of the names, who can help me? Okay. Chahat knows, Srushti knows. They are the same names. Okay, no problem. I will pick up Chahat then. Hi, hello Chahat, good evening. Hello. Hello Chahat. Okay, she doesn't want to speak. Hello Chahat. No problem.
Sir,
Hello Chahat. Yeah, I could hear you now. You can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. You know there are 4 types. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully, students. So badam, charkat, don't write that in the chat box. Badam, charkat, those are not the names we are going to discuss. Okay. Now 4 types ko chahat, they are called as 4 suits. What are they called?
Shoots.
4 suits. Okay. Okay. The first row, what is it called? Are you aware?
Yes. Clubs.
Okay, great. They are called as clubs. Okay. The second row,
Spades.
spades. Okay. The third row,
Hearts.
hearts. And the fourth
And
row,
diamonds.
diamonds. Perfect. Oh, perfect. So can I say clubs and spades are black in color?
Yes.
And charkat kilwer. It is not charkat kilwer. Okay, it's you have to remember these names. Whatever names you follow, no, these names: clubs, spades, hearts, diamonds. Okay, fine. Okay, now what is the game here is to remember. Chahat, can you tell me how many clubs are there?
13.
How many spades are there?
13, 13, 13.
13, 13, 13. 39 spades. No, Chahat. There are not 39 spades. 13. Okay.
13.
And diamonds?
13.
And how many red cards?
13 to 26.
26. Did you get this, everybody? 26. How come we have 26 red cards? Simple. Clubs and spades both are black, so black would be 13 plus 13, and red would be 13 plus 13. Now try to understand. There are 52 cards. Half is red and half is black.
Yes.
So 26 red and 26 black. Now, what do I mean by joker? I don't know. What do you mean? I don't know whether you're talking about the joker or you're talking about the jack. You can see the 52 cards in front of the pack. These are the only cards which we are going to discuss for sums. No other extra cards that we are going to discuss. These are the only cards. Okay. Now, this is the initial interpretation of the sum. Okay. Now just pay attention. Preet, hold on. Now, these are called as A's. Can you see A's, Chahat?
Yes.
The A's are called as A's. So, how many A's are there, Chahat?
4.
4. If I ask you how many black A's are there?
2.
How many red A's are there?
2.
2. Perfect. 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 I think students from DN would be having a fair bit of idea about this, right? I taught many of you these sums. Okay. Now, can you see the number cards that I have highlighted now? The number cards that I have highlighted. Now, these are called as number cards. So, there are 9 number cards, if you see. How many number cards are there in total?
36.
If you count, everybody count. Can you tell me how many numbers are there? 36. If you can count, if you see 2 selected 10, there are 9 number cards. So, there are 4 types, 4 suits, so 36. Now, if you remember the number of cards, making it red and black will be easy.
Yes.
Half is red and half is black.
18 black, 18 red.
क्या बात है, perfect. पूछने से पहले जवाब. Very nice. Now face cards. Now remember, these are all called as face cards. Jack, Queen, and King.
12.
They are called as face cards.
Yes.
Okay. Why they are called as face card? Because you can see somebody's face on it. Only cards where you can see somebody's face on it, it's called as face card. So Jack, Queen, King. अगर मैंने पूछा how many face cards are there, Chahat?
12.
12. 6 red and 6 black. Now remember, people get confused. Sir, people include ace card into face cards. अभी ये मंत्रा याद रखना cards के लिए. Face card is not an ace card. Ace card is not a face card. Remember, ace card is not a face card. Ace card is not a face card. मेरा आवाज बराबर आ रहा चाहत?
Yes.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So ace card is not a face card. Remember that. So if I ask you, how many jacks are there? कितना jack दिख रहा है तुमको? J कितना दिख रहा है? चार jack. Okay. कितना queen दिख रहा है?
4.
कितना red jack है?
2.
कितना black jack है?
2.
कितना who is this doing yes or writing so many things? Chirag Sagar, DN Nagar, don't do that, dear. Okay, it distracts me. Okay, no problem. I know it might have happened by mistake. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Okay, so तो Jack, Queen, King का समझ में है?
Yes.
Face card का समझ में है? अभी number cards में they can be playing. कभी कभी उन लोग बोलेंगे 2 से लेके 5 तक का ही दो, 2 से लेके 6 तक का ही दो. You should be able to count the number of cards. Now students, you don't have to remember how the cards look like. What you have to remember is the number of cards. Okay? Okay, तो यहाँ पे just remember this is Jack. This is how Jack looks like. For people who are curious about looking at the cards, this is how the queen looks like. When I say queen, it's like queen in the deck of cards. And this is how the king looks like. Okay? So we know the number of cards. In all, we have 52 cards. So n of s will always be 52. Is this very clear?
Yes.
So I can say there are 13 clubs, 13 ace, 13 diamonds and 13 hearts. And each of 13, now this 13 is divided into 1 ace, 9 number cards and 3 face cards. तो ऐसा 13 13 13. तो देखो एस कितना है 4, नंबर कार्ड्स कितना है 9 9 9 9, तो कितना हो गया 36. फेस कार्ड्स कितना हो गया 3 3 3 3 3 12. तो जितना भी है उसमें हाफ रेड हाफ ब्लैक. प्रीत परमार, कैन यू प्लीज स्टॉप दैट और आई विल हैव टू पुट यू इन द वेटिंग रूम. Okay, so remember this is the whole summary which you need to remember. If you don't understand by heart this, याद रखना बहुत easy, I believe, right? People, everybody understood the number of cards, right?
Yes.
Okay, Chahat, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
Okay, now I'll ask few questions about the number of cards. Okay, I'll ask few questions about the number of cards. 9 number cards, 2 से लेके 10. There are 9 number cards, Mandar. 2 से लेके 10, you count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 number cards. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 36. Okay. Now who is confident about the number of cards? Who is confident about number of cards? Chahat ho gaya. I'm quite sure you're confident. Okay. Let us have somebody new. Okay. Parth Mali has not mentioned branch name, so I'm not going to take you. Hitesh bhi nahi. Anand Patel never got a chance. I've picked you, I remember. Leher, maybe some question today. Okay, I think people who are talking is people who have talked. Let me randomly pick up people. Okay, I will pick up Mridini. Okay, Mridini, I'm trying to unmute her. Her settings are very strong. I cannot unmute her. Samiha, I have talked to you many a times. Anybody else who is confident? Come on, I want new people talking. Hi, Mridini.
Hello, sir.
Mridini, can you speak a bit louder?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you?
Fine, sir.
So you're playing cards right now, right?
No, sir.
No? Acha. Okay, you have to answer me, okay? Number of red cards, 26. Number of black cards, 26. अच्छा, spade कितना है? Clubs कितना है? Heart कितना है? Diamond कितना है? Each कितना है?
Spades 13.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Clubs 13. Hearts
Okay.
13. Diamonds.
Heart 13, diamond 13. Perfect. Ace कितना है?
4.
Number cards?
36.
36. Face cards?
12.
12. Jack?
Huh?
Jack. Number of Jack cards? Jack.
Jack cards 4.
Queen?
4.
King?
4.
क्या बात है. अच्छा, now in all these things, especially ace, number cards, face cards, jack, king and queen. If you remember this, sometimes they will ask you कि how many red and black are there. तो red और black के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा ये सारे numbers को, मृदिनी?
Sir, divide by 2.
Simple. If that is asked, we will do a very simple operation that will divide by 2. इसमें और क्या possible है? Number cards में they will ask अरे 2 से 5 के बीच में कितना आता है, 3 से 5 के बीच में कितना आता है, दैट्स इट. इज दिस वेरी क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? टाइप यस. मृदिनी समझ में आया परफेक्टली एकदम अच्छे से?
Yes, sir.
ओके मृदिनी, थैंक यू. ओके नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट यू टू क्विकली मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस, क्विकली, क्योंकि अभी याद है, 1 महीने बाद सब लोग भूल जाएगा. व्हाट टू डिवाइड बाय 2. अगर एस, रेड एस पूछा तो डिवाइड बाय 2. रेड नंबर कार्ड पूछा तो 36 डिवाइड बाय 2. रेड फेस कार्ड पूछा तो 6 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. जैक, रेड जैक पूछा तो डिवाइड बाय 2. बिकॉज जितना भी है हाफ इज रेड एंड हाफ इज ब्लैक. व्हाट इज योर कंफ्यूजन आनंद? Screenshot taken. Yeah, great, great. Won't forget, we play cards. Perfect, perfect. I'll join you one day. But I'm not used to it so much. I hope this number of cards is clear, everybody. Clear? Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. Or either take a screenshot, make a note of it. In case you forget afterwards, see, I actually ये सब याद रखने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. If you remember the first screen that I've shown you, जहाँ पे मैंने तुमको पिक्चराइज कराया, 13 13 13 है, और वो 13 का बाइफर्केशन समझ में आया, then it is very simple. What to write? Everything that is there on the screen, so that you remember the number of cards. Okay? Just tell me if it is done. If it is not done, students, take a screenshot now. देखो अभी नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स में कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. आई हैव स्पेंट इनफ टाइम ऑन दैट. Done. Okay. So if you have not done, take a screenshot quickly. I'm giving you 10 seconds to take a screenshot. Okay? Mayank, let us talk about sums here. Okay. So screen, give me a message or screenshot capture. Very good. Good. Perfect. Okay, now we'll take up a sum. First sum I will solve completely so that you get the presentation of the sum. And and frankly speaking, there is only one sum in our textbook. That is the problem. Students face problems in card sum because there is only one sum in the textbook. So they do not have things to practice. So now what I want you to do is, I also want you to write down the question, so that later on when you want to practice, you practice all these sums. Okay, now quickly we will go through this. One card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a jack of hearts, a spade, a queen of diamonds. The 52 cards, simply you have to write the 52 cards in a pack, therefore n of s is 52. Simple. So if cards ka sum come, they are very short in presentation and very scoring also. Now first we have to find for jack of hearts. So I'll say, let A be the event of getting a jack of hearts. So type in the message box, how many jack of hearts do we have? How many jack of hearts do we have? Shivani Bajaj is perfect. Says this wrong. 4. We don't have to write sample space. Most of you are saying 4, which is wrong. We have 4 jacks, but one of heart, one of diamond, one of spade, one of club. So there is only one jack of hearts. Understand? There is only one jack of heart. So 1 is the right answer. 1 is the right answer. So n of A would be 1. And P of A is n of A upon n of S. That would be 1 out of 52. There is no sample space or event for this sum. If you want to write sample space, Rishita, will you write 52 cards? It's not possible. Even if it is there for 1 or 2 marks, we are not going to write so much. Okay. I think you can finish the sum. Copy the first sub question, finish the entire sum. I'm giving you 5 minutes quickly. I hope you got how to write the presentation. Let B be the event of getting the a spade. Then write how many spade cards are there, and then write n of B and P of B. Quickly start doing. Once you are done, let me know. Yes, Shahad, you're right. But I want you to write all the presentation and everything like everybody else. Okay, spade means Okay. Spade means, I just told you, spade. There are 4 suits: spade, clubs, hearts, and diamonds. So spade is a particular type of suit which is black in color. When they have not mentioned, you have to think. Now this is for you to understand, Anand. No, Preet, if you remember like this, you will get confused during exams. So get sophisticated. Okay. Let me pick up somebody to answer. Hello, Mayank from Villeparle. You wanted to answer, right? Hi,
Yes,
Mayank.
sir. Hi, sir.
I'm not going to come and play with you. And you're going to discuss with that with me?
No, sir. Sorry.
Which sum is there? Okay. Now, what is the second question? What we will tell me? You have written, right, Mayank?
Yes, I'm just doing.
You're finished. Okay. You finished writing. Till then, I will wait for everybody else to be also finished. Okay. Which sum is this? The question is right in front of you. Rudra, the question is right, is there in front of you. Okay, Onbri is done. Malhar is done. Very good. Now students, okay. Purva from Ghatkopar done. This is not from textbook to have a question number. I've given you this question from the old textbooks. See, I'm giving you many sums. Even on the YouTube channel, what I'm doing is, most of the sums I'm putting from the old textbooks. Why I'm doing that, I will tell you meanwhile you're writing. Because there are many sums in board exams that are being asked. In fact, this time a 4-mark sum was asked from quadratic old textbook. I'm going to make sure that my students will study each and every sum from the old textbook as well. So that if they are going to ask any sum from the old textbook also, we are going to get full marks. My channel name is Shashikant Shetty. Okay, Mayank, done?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, तो सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग स्टेटमेंट बताओ.
Let B be the event of getting spade.
Spade. Let B be the event of getting spade. Okay, तो फिर क्या लिखूंगा उसके बाद?
So, ace, 2, 3, and so on.
No. You don't have to write that. You have to write there are 13 spade cards. Now see, there are many people who are asking me, sir, spade मतलब कौन सा पूछा है? When they do not specify, write, assume all the spade cards. Ria, am I clear?
Oh, yeah.
Ria, I am clear. Ria had a doubt. Okay. Ria was asking, Anand Patil was asking. Anand and Ria, please message me if it is clear. When they do not mention which spade card, you have to assume all the spade cards. So there are 13 spade cards. Okay. Yes. So, okay, great. Both of them are clear. Got the message from both of you. Thank you. So N of B will be 13. P of B will be N of B upon N of S. That is 13 out of 52. That is 1 out of 4. Perfect. You're still there with me, Mayank?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Let's see the event that the card drawn is Queen of Diamonds. So we have to mention the statement. Mayank, तुमने ना previous समय ये statement नहीं बताया. Since there are 30 spade cards, तो इधर क्या आएगा statement?
There is only one card.
There is only, since there are only one Queen of Diamonds, ऐसा लिखने का, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
There is only one card. There are 52 cards, ना?
Yeah.
There is only one Queen card in diamonds. तो फिर क्या आएगा?
N of B is equals to 1.
N of C will
B
be
is 1.
1. So P of C would be N of C upon N of S. That is 1 out of
25.
Okay, man. Thank you so much. It cannot be reduced further. He has reduced, I believe. But 1 out of 52 is difficult to be reduced further. So let us go to the next sum. I have a different sample space about fish, or a sum based on fish also later on that we have to do. Okay. Students, start solving the sum ASAP. I'll give you 5 to 6 minutes to solve this sum, and then we will discuss the answers quickly. There is one more sum based on card. I'm trying to complicate it as much as possible. And then we have to do one more sum based on fishes. Fishes. Okay, Mandar, just a second, everybody. Mandar wants to see a previous sum. I'll keep it for 10 seconds. Just a sec, take a screenshot. Is my screen visible? Manuja is saying my screen is not visible. Manuja, others, can you see the screen? See if you write, yes. Take a screenshot, okay, I'm counting to the counting 5, then changing the sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Manuja, it is visible, maybe internet issues at your end. See if you write the question in short, it would be great. Sushant, there are students. Shashan, check your internet connection. You are the one who always tells me this. Sir, I asked you a doubt on your YouTube channel on, but please can you clear replying me on YouTube? What was the doubt? I will reply on YouTube definitely. Okay, Honbri is done. Chahat is done. Now, these are few set of students who are doing it very fast. I hope you are writing all the statements, right, kids? Zia is done. Yash is done. Gaurav is done. Senthil is done. Krishika is done. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. I will pick up somebody. Hi, Daksh from Devidayal.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Now you are ready with the sum? Done?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I saw. So I thought I'll pick you up to discuss the sum. Okay, we'll go present. See, the sum is very simple. We have to talk about the presentation as well. Okay? Okay, tell me. First of all, what do I write?
First, there are 52 cards in a pack.
Perfect.
N of S is equals to 52.
Excellent.
Now first sum. Let A be the event of card drawn in a spade card.
Card drawn is a spade card. Yes, then?
Then there are 13 spade cards.
Perfect, right? Exactly what he's trying to say is there are 13 spade cards. So we will write there are 13 spade cards. So N of A will be?
N of A will be N of A will be 1 upon 4. No, sorry, 13.
30. That is P of A you're talking about. Okay.
Yes.
Then the formula for P of A would be N of A upon N of S. Correct?
13,
Go ahead.
13 upon 52. 1
Reduce
upon 4.
If you reduce it, it would be 1 upon 4. Now, students, exactly, it's very simple. If you know the number of cards, when they say spade cards, so there are 13 spade cards. So 13 out of 52, 1 upon 4. So very simple, right? Okay, next one. What do I do?
Let B be the event that card drawn is not of diamond.
So how many not diamond cards are there?
39.
39. How did you get it? Can you tell everybody? Can you explain it for everybody?
We are not counting diamonds, 13 diamond cards.
क्या बात है? Simple, right? So there are 13 cards which are diamond. तो अगर मैं diamond को निकाल दूं मतलब 13 cards को निकाल दूं 52 में से तो बचा कितना? 39. It's very smart. So go ahead. Tell me है Daksh.
N of B is equals to 39.
You are in a hurry to finish the sum. आराम से अपने को कोई घाई नहीं है. फिर
P of B is equals to N of B upon N of S is equals to 39 upon 52.
It can be reduced.
Yeah.
13 3s are and 13 4s are. So 3 upon. Yes, Atharva from Vikroli. Yes, perfect. You have given me the right answer for both of them. Thank you, Daksh.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll go on to the next sum, and next sum we'll pick up somebody. Okay, now be very smart and quickly solve. Quickly, I'm giving you 5 minutes. To answer, you'll have to finish writing first. When you're saying right at the beginning, I want to answer, that means you have not finished writing. Yes, Kaivile, easy sums, easy sums. There is one more sum after this that we have to discuss about fishes. Preet, I'm sure you have not written all the statements. It's not possible to finish so many statements at this pace. At this pace, you will finish your exams in a half an hour. In fact, that is possible. I finished writing entire 40 marks in 25 minutes once. Kev. It's not possible for me to go back every time. Take a screenshot to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you have taken the screenshot. I'm going ahead to the sum. Okay. Okay, Kev. Most welcome, Kev. Some videos are on. Put your videos off, or I'll have to take you out. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, quickly. There are many people are done. Many people are done. Okay, Preet, not today. Maybe some other day when we start with AP and where we have intelligent sums to be talked about. There I will discuss each and every sum of AP, the most difficult and the most easy also. Okay. Okay, Henry, you've been insisting since long. Okay, so I'll pick you up. Okay, Yadnesh, good. Hi,
Hello,
Henry.
sir.
Hello. My voice is audible, right? It's not cracking, not lagging, right? Hello, Henry.
No, sir, it's audible.
It's audible. Okay, because few of them.
Hello, sir.
Hello. You are on. You have completed the sum.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me step by step and tell me how you got it also, so that I don't have to explain. See, this is my smart way of giving my work to you all. Okay. You have to act as if you don't understand that, and you have to do my work. You have to teach, though I'm not going to give you any salary for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So start telling me step by step and explain exactly how do I do that.
Yes, sir. Let A be the event of getting a king of.
Excuse me, sample space आया ही नहीं. Statements आएगा ना sample space का.
हाँ.
किधर है?
There are 52 cards in a pack. Therefore, n of s is equal to 52.
Perfect. Ahead.
So, let A be the event of getting a king of red color.
How many kings are there in red color?
2.
एक सेकंड, ऐसा कौन सा किंग है जो लाल कलर का होता है?
Since there are 2 kings of red color.
Okay. In a pack of cards. Okay, there are two. Remember, there are 4 kings. Each of in every suit there is 1 king. So there are total 4 kings. So 2 red and 2
black.
Perfect.
Kings.
So here n of B will be Henry.
N of A equal
Sorry,
to
n
2.
of A would be 2. Okay, मेरा उम्र हो गया. Okay. Go ahead.
Therefore, P of A equal to N of A upon N of S.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Which is equal to 2 upon 52.
Okay. That would be?
Which is equal to 1 upon 26.
1 upon 26. Okay. What about B? Let B be the event.
Sir, 1 upon 26.
Okay. Let B be
Let
the event.
B be the event of getting a face card.
Okay. Okay. Ignore. Okay. So n of B would be?
N of B equal to 12.
See, students, B is an event of having a face card. So there are 12 face cards. If you don't remember or if you have a confusion how to get it, you can always see what you have written. There are 12 face cards I've discussed. So P of B would be?
P of B equal to n of b upon n of s,
n of b upon n of s. That would be
which is equal to 12 upon 52,
52. And that would be
which is equal to 1 upon 13.
1 upon 13. How?
हाँ
How? कौन सा टेबल से कैंसिल किया?
सर 2 6 are 226 सर सॉरी मिस्टेक हो गया.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, होता है, मेरे से भी होता है, मेरा तो उम्र हो गया, मैं रोज ज्यादा करता हूँ मिस्टेक इससे.
3 upon 13.
3 upon 13. डायरेक्टली मैंने 4 से कैंसिल किया. 4 3s are 12 and 4 13 are. Right? Excuse my handwriting and I have not written all the statements, but you people have to write. Okay? What would be the next one?
Let C be the event of getting a red face card.
Let C be the event of getting a red face card.
Face
So
card.
what would be n of C?
N of C equal to 6.
Red face card 6 है. हाँ, क्योंकि टोटल 12 है, अभी हम लोग ने लिखा. तो P of C would be formula.
P of C would be n of C upon n of S.
That would be
6 upon 52.
बहुत ध्यान से कैंसिलेशन करो. सी ऐसा गलती मत करना. You have to check your cancellations. Always. See, math is all about presence of mind. Most of you lose marks because we lose our concentration for a second. Okay, so just pay attention. Math मतलब पूरा ध्यान देने का हमेशा. So it's okay. Yes, you tell
Which
me.
is equal to 3 upon 26.
2 3s are and 2 26. Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it would be 3 upon 26. Srushti, no, Srushti. Number of face cards is 12. Number of number card was 36. Okay. No problem. Okay. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Henri. I'll mute you. Now let us go to a sum based on fishes. I hope everybody is done. If not done, complete the sum from the video because I've erased everything. Okay, now listen to this sum. It's a very simple sum. Sachin buys from a shop for his aquarium. He has an aquarium at his house. So he's trying to buy a fish. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank which has 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken is a male fish? So a very simple sum, but the only problem is presentation of such type of sum is important. Okay, just pay attention. One fish is selected at random from 13 fish. If you see, there are 5 female fishes, 5 male fishes and 8 female fishes. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So total fishes there in the tank from where we are picking up, where the shopkeeper is picking up, is 13. So n of s would be 13. What is the probability that a male fish is taken out? So let A be the event that the fish selected is a male fish. So number of male fish is 5, R5. So n of A would be 5. So P of A would be n of A upon n of S. That would be 5 out of 13. Now why I discuss this sum specifically is, see, the card sum and this sum are similar in presentation. Now what is very important is presentation of these type of sums. With this sum, we finished almost everything in probability. We have yet to do 1 or 2 sums which are very simple. Once again, that would be a part of your homework, which will be coming to you on your WhatsApp group by tomorrow morning. So with this, I would like, I have finished everything in probability. Anybody has a doubt? I think this is very simple. Everybody can find out there are total 13 fishes, 5 is male. So Rudra, there is hardly anything to, what is your doubt in this sum, Gaurav? Tell me. Yes, Gaurav, what is your doubt in this sum? What is your doubt in this sum? No doubt. Superb, clear, perfect. More card sum. I've taken one sum from the textbook is pending. How to get a male fish? There are 5 male fish, so 5 out of 13. They have given us, there are 5 male fish. Right? I hope, Gaurav, your doubt is cleared. Yeah, students, but don't underestimate the external sum of this chapter. I have taken few on already on my YouTube channel. There are few more. If anybody wishes to, I have some superb sums on probability that can be asked, which I have kept it to asked whenever I teach, whichever branches I teach, and we'll circulate it across. This is not a textual sum. Anybody has got a doubt? I believe my Gaurav, I believe your doubts are cleared. Okay. What is the difference between the two type of sums? The difference is they are very weird to be understood at the beginning. Mehul Thakkar doesn't have a doubt. Great. The marks would be cut if you miss any of the statements. What is your doubt, Anand? Tell me. Thank you, Henri. Pleasure knowing that. I am glad that I could make you feel so. See, the problem with putting any other external sums of probability would be you won't be in a position to solve most of the sums. And most of the sums are not for everybody. Only when you are clear with your textual sums, solving this non-textual sums makes sense. Usually what I do is I teach non-textual sums only to a student who is perfect with his textual sums. Any student comes to me with a doubt, sir, I want to do more